Morning everyone, I'm up early to go and get those bolts that I was talking about yesterday, which I've got now, and the traffic is so bad in Sydney. It took me like 40 minutes, and it's not even 4Ks away from PowerTune. It's crazy, but I'm at BP now, because I've got to get some 98 fuel, and there's a GT2 RS in front of me, and then down there's a McLaren like 650S. There must be something happening at Sydney Motorsport Park today that involves these cars. Standard Sydney, I think. So yeah, hopefully it won't be too far away from getting to the shop, and we can pretty well get this goddamn car running. A bit excited. Alright, we'll be back at the shop. I kind of forgot about the camera. Sorry guys. Oh, here's a pro tip. If you want to learn how to cut zip ties properly, cut them on the angle, then you don't get any sharp bits. Alright, bell housing is finally on. I'd cut some holes and obviously that big inspection plate yesterday. Hydraulic slaves in there. The adapter that Direct Clutch made us was freaking ace. Thank you. Direct clutch is on, so I've just done the measurement. So I'm just going to show you roughly what needs to be measured. So from this surface of the block and with this inspection plate on, you have to measure from there to the tip of the fingers on the clutch, and then measure from the face of the hydraulic slave to the edge of the gearbox surface, the bell housing surface, and then there needs to be, with this clutch, 7 to 8 mil of clearance between there and those fingers. Done that now, and it's spot on. So I get to put the gearbox on now, and then we're pretty much going to put it in the car. So it's a good feeling. Alright, I gotta get busy guys. Alright guys, as you can see, it's freaking night time. I've pretty much not filmed the entire day, so just trying to get things done. And I do regret it, not gonna lie, because I really wish I could have documented the whole sort of rebuild, I guess. But it is what it is, and I'm just gonna show you guys what we have been doing all day. But the good news is the motoring box is in, finally. As you can see there, the G-force shifter Majiggy is sitting in there. And the new additions are this gigantic cooler with some massive fans on it to try and keep the inlet temps down. And we had to move the oil cooler. So things are a little bit congested here, but it's definitely going to work. But how good is it to have that back in there? Oh, pumped. But yeah, so now we just got to wire them up. Pete's going to help me with that. Oh, we've got to drain the fuel too. So we'll do that tomorrow or today? Tomorrow. Pete's a bit crook, so I'll let you go home, alright? What is the time?
9:20.
9:20.
Supposed to finish 4 hours ago.
Alright, but yeah, we're almost ready. I'll chuck all the fluids in the morning, and then we'll swap. Oh, I suppose I can prime all the oiling up, the oiling system. And then, yeah, got the exhaust on, gearbox, all that stuff underneath sorted. Yeah, should be ready to kick it in the guts in the morning. Just got to drain that fuel, but yeah. Alright. Another quick video, sorry guys, but yeah, just trying to get things done. Alright, but before we go, I want this so bad. That'll be mine one day. Dream big, eh? Alright guys, that's a wrap. See you for today. We'll be back tomorrow. See you guys. Good morning. Hey, Rob's here. What were you doing in my engine bay, huh? Rob's always here first. What time do you start?
5:45.
Yeah, right. Well, it's 7 now. That's when I get here. Coffee time before anything happens, eh?
There's no coffee, mate. Here, coffee, none.
What?
Finished.